Hi, good day. My name is Rosalinda P. Salanio, and I will explain about measure of relative position and how can I take him to answer. Step 1. Starting from the lowest class limit, the first value in the CF that is greater than or equal to 24 is in the fourth class, so that the fourth class is the quartile class. And then the decile, starting from the lowest class limit, the first value in a CF that is greater than or equal to 25.6 is in the fifth class, so that the fifth class is the decile class. Percentile. Starting from the lowest class limit, the first value in the CF that is greater than or equal to 20.8 is in the fourth class, so that the fourth class is the percentile class. Quiz 9. Arranging data and labeling each datum. Quartile. Step 2 is a quartile. Using a linear interpolation, get the third datum and multiply the decimal point to the third and fourth datum. Step 2. Decile. Using linear interpolation, get the 10th datum and multiply the decimal point to the 10th and 11th datum. Percentile. Using the linear interpolation, get the 8th datum and multiply the decimal point to the 8th and 9th datum. Thank you. That's all.
The Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers. The next number is found by adding up to two numbers before it. The 2 is found by adding the two numbers before it, 1 plus 1. The 3 is found by adding the two numbers before it, 1 plus 2. And the 5 is 2 plus 3, and so on. Example on that is the next number in the sequence above is 21 plus 34 is equals to 55. The Fibonacci sequence can be written as a rule. First, the term are number from 0 onward like this. In the general sense of the word, patterns are regularly repeated or recurring forms or design. We can also see patterns in technology, food production, house flooring, or even roads. In some cases, it can be found. We can also find patterns in snowflakes, honeycombs, animal stripes, spots, flowers, petals, shell, and even world population. Thank you for watching.
Hello, I am Jalsa Palaran. Randomly, we are going to discuss about normal distribution. Our each example, the first wave have the information. What is a normal distribution statistic? A normal distribution is a probability function that describes how that value of variable are distributed. It is symmetric distribution are distribution where most of the observation cluster around the central peak, and a probabilities for value further away from the mean of equality in both directions. What information can you determine from normal distribution? A normal distribution is one in which the values are evenly distributed both above and below, and population. has a precisely normal distribution if the mean, mode, and median are all equal for the population of 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. The mean, mode, and median are all 5. Use the normal distribution equation. The standard normal distribution is a normal distribution is a mean of 0 and 8 standard deviation of 1 any point from a normal distribution can be converted the standard normal distribution with the formula x equal x mean standard deviation. I am Charles Sapalaran. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you will learn something.
Good day, I'm Evangeline Grace Urbano from COT15 FSM, and for today I will be discussing the nature of mathematics. Starting with the patterns and numbers in technology. Patterns have so many uses in the natural world. Whether it's survival or structural integrity, patterns have developed over time to become more and more useful due to evolution. As creatures developed and change over time, the patterns that they create and the patterns that they wear become fitter and fitter for their purposes, whether it's spinning a web in order to catch most flies, or if it's having the best stripes in order to hide from predators or even prey. Here are other examples of patterns that can be found in nature. Patterns can also be in numbers, which is called the sequence. Sequence is an ordered list of numbers called terms that may have repeated values. The arrangement of these terms is set by a definite rule. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. If you notice, it goes 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, then 6, 7, and so on and so on. We skip one number in counting. Take note that it starts at 1 and jumps 3 every time. Okay?
Try to identify missing terms. The answer is 20.
Now, moving on to the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. Fibonacci sequence is the series of numbers. The next number is found by adding up the two numbers before it. Next is the golden ratio. The most common thing you'll hear about in nature is the golden ratio. It stretches from a spiral on the back of a shell to architecture, to art, to photography, to flower of petals, to pine cones, and even to tree branches. The ratio is achieved with the Fibonacci sequence. Ignoring that the first digit is 0, each number divided by the last creates a spiral. The digits just keep on going with no pattern. In fact, the golden ratio is known to be an irrational number. The golden ratio is already used in both the natural and technological world. It helps with the structural integrity of buildings, pine cones, flowers, and creatures due to how the proportion works and how they converge on this number. The fact that we can observe mathematical patterns in nature is proof enough that the things such as Fibonacci sequence actually work and are functional as axioms in mathematics. I hope you find this video helpful, and once again, I'm Evangeline. Thank you for watching.